Constant pain, oh, that woman. ladies, I can see you. Come over and show me some love tonight. That's it. I want to see the ladies come to show me some love tonight, ladies. Thank you so much. Only ladies, only of the ladies. Ladies, come over and show me some love. Show me some love. Now we just hips and that nash. Show me baby, you got the hips. Now we just hips. And I'm so easy, but no one hit me, but I'll be alright. My head's on the moon, but I'm really fine. You're crazy now. Let's sing it out together, everyone. I say, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love you, cousin, all your perfect imperfections. I give my all to you. You give your all to me. You're mine and my beginning. Even when I lose, I win. 'Cause I give you all to me. Hey, and I give you all. Hey, how many times do I have to tell you? Even when you cry, you're beautiful too. The water is beating you down. You're my downfall, you're my muse. My wall instructions, my reading, my mood. I can't stop singing, 'cause it's ringing in my head for you. My head's up now, but I'm really fine. You think, let's sing that one time, everybody, say what up. 'Cause all last, yeah, love your cars and all your ages, all your perfect. I give all, baby. Hey, you're my end, I'm my beginning. Even when I'm missing no time, when I'm missing cat, we give it. Fire, jump to them. What I miss. Are you ready? Ladies, let me see everybody make some noise. I see. Ayo, ayo. Ayo, ayo. Ayo, ayo. Ayo, ayo. Ayo, ayo. 1, 2, 3, Mukwan. Are you ready for some mundo tonight? I say, make some noise. I stop and stare at you, walking on the shore. I try to concentrate my mind on you. The tropical scent of you sets me up my bone. And God, when I look at you, I praise the Lord. Oh, I get you. Whoa. Whoa. Rolla, shaka, shaka, shaka. Nice to know you. Let's do it again. How we did it on a one night stand. Girl, I wanna be more than a friend. Ooh, are you ready? Mukwano, madam planning go back. Scared kumata, nachakazuku kanaye. Yeah. I love you people, I love you so much, and I've been missing some of the words. I've been in London, but I'm back in here. You see? Make some noise for some mundo.